Hello guys, welcome back. Here is my cousin playing on my little brother's account because, yeah, he is right here. And we're gonna go check out his restaurant. 16,000, nice. Ooh, this is not the best. Look, we have the same tactic, so that's pretty good. And, okay, I probably got a close look. And then let's compare that to the bosses. Which is me. Who did? No, it's better. Huh? What's that noob doing? What? Well, I just teleported. Somewhere. Okay, here it is. So many people. So many people. Basically all VIPs. You already know this. You already know who it is. Daddy Kilo. Actually, no, it's not. It's not Daddy Kilo. I wish I was Daddy Kilo. If you don't know who Daddy Kilo is, shame on you. Shame on you. So yeah, I got like VIPs and these lame people in the back, which I should delete them because they're gay. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you this. So, yeah, boy.